Why, hello there, lovelies. I remember back in the day, and by back in the day I mean kindergarten, when I used to take tissues, such as this one, and I would do this. And everyone would be so amazed by me, they had no idea how I was doing it. So I just simply said I was magic. That was my reasoning for this. Hey guys, you want to see a really cool trick? Sure, Sarah. Okay, ready? Ta-da! Oh my god, that was so cool! How did you do that? Oh my god, I'm magic. So that's how that went down. I also did this thing where I made a sound that sounded like I ripped a piece of paper when I actually didn't, such as this. I would take people's homework and do it. Oh, hey Eric. You got number 3 wrong. That's just... This is horribly done. This like... What did you just do, Sarah? Golly gee, Sarah, how did you do that? I'm magic. I think one time a kid questioned me about it. I'm magic. You mean you're a wizard? No, I'm not a wizard. I'm magic. Just purely magic, not a wizard. Right. Overall, I was just a really weird kid. Goodbye to you for now. I don't. Wait, freeze!
Sarah, they just started. Wait.
Can I go?
Yes. Are you recording this? That's nice.